Okay, at the premiere for real once again. Ya dutangira episode ya mbere kuri seri y'umwaka yiswe Freakish. Episode 1 season 1. Hatagira ucikwa. Aracyari Sankara the premiere umva. Ya nyuma ya Falpi tugatangira. Freakish. Nakubwira abanya Wolf udacikwa iyi ngiyi.
Bandi barashaka duhurire hehe. Barashaka ngo ngoma amabici.
Nakubwira abanya the 100 n'izindi nkazo. Don't miss this Freakish.
Izo niyo nasa ku muntu ubu nta kibazo.
Kya Falpi.
Saba gusiga indezo. Niyo ntacyo mfite muri aramezo. Abashaka kureba aho dabiruka. Twe duhoda n'inganzo tugatwandika. Ubutunzi aka kanya ni wabubara. Uri kwisi duzabura kubabara. Abahungu nidutana n'amabara. Abadada badada kwibarabara. Utazakina nanjye utazavunika. Zagutera muzunga ngukubaganye. Kubandi ni wandusha ngira peti. Bakinyiruka twebweho twarinite. Bari kwiruka niko na wanzi imbere. Nabatumiye muze mwiterambere. Abo kumva nka bosi ni babosi.
Skia.
Kumusi nazinzacaho.
Reka nkora umunsi nazinzacaho.
Sengani cyangwa se ijana.
Right.
Amu myakirji. Iyo nta muntu uyirenza kwisi reka.
Reka nkore
nazinzacaho. Amu myaka sengani.
Episode 1 season 1.
Kurikira filime zisobanuye ku rubuga wa eshatu akadomo igiti akadomo net za Sankara the Premier.
Bose naho kwizima. Cyari Sankara the one and only.
Dirani Kabaka.
Sibyo? Yes, so mutwe. Indege butosho. Cyangwa kwigaraganya gukoma kantu. Yo mwe twadeni Kabaka.
Na Junior Giti.
Konya Irani. Abakura mu nzira. Nitwa Juju. Giti w'igipetiji.
Filme zose wifuza ku buntu. igiti.net. The free movie tree. Ubushakashatsi bugaragaza ko abantu batuye isi byibura 75% bitabira ibikorwa bihuza imbaga nko kwiga, gusenga, gusohoka, amakwe n'ibindi byinshi. Ariko 12% barubahwa bakarangaza benshi kubera imyambarire yabo myiza kandi igezweho. Tera intambwe uno munsi winjire mu isi y'abasirimu, abanyamideli n'abatsaperi. Wambikwe na Bubuna Store, abahanga mu gutegura ibyangwe byiza kandi bigezweho. Bubuna Store, we make you smart in just a snap. Ambara berwa.
Ya Bubuna Store ikorera muri shike. Do hari ucinjira gutya hariya nyine ado. Hariya mukaguni. Ariko nyine uramutse uragize uyobewe bahamagara kuri zo nimero bakakuyobora. Baba bafite nyine cast hariya yitwa receptioniste akakuyobora yewe. Aba bafite nyine myiza nukuri pe. Ya nabari mwese mukene kwamaza cyangwa kumenyekanisha ibikorwa byawe n'ibicuruzwa hamagara kuri izo nimero tubigufashamo hamwe na The Premier for real. Cyane ya dutangiye episode ya mbere kuri Freakish. Mwaribonye vuga ngo samano ko dutangiye tangira mu nyaza kuno bware zacaye neza hari waza ku gare mari rukanka tayari hari ko gatandatu mugeze n'amasaha mu gitondo musore muto wafira ditanya guci filme yiswe Freakish katurore.
No.
Oya.
You listen to me.
Zen nyumva neza.
If you think you can use me and get away with it,
uracheka wankoresha nzi ukagenda gutyo gusa.
Then you haven't been paying attention.
Bivuze ngo nabyo nakubwira byose n'ubwanyumvaga.
Well, you'll find out what I mean soon enough.
Savu bangaraza kumenya ibyo navugaga ko ndi seriye.
They want to look out at the parking lot.
Nta ndwana reba hano hanze aho baparika imodoka. Mugeze nagakobwa.
Stuck in this pit on a Saturday.
Mani ntago nimvije ko ngiye gwera muri uyu mwana kuri wa gatandatu.
We could have got kicked out.
Mani ntago bapfa kutwirukana gutyo.
Yo, that looks just like Dwight's knife.
Actually, mother child Dwight.
It's because it was Dwight's knife.
It's child Dwight.
You stole it?
Bamwe by'icyuma.
He gave it to me.
Yarachimaye. Kenzi ngo nabari naje ku ishuri ku gatandatu. Ko mu mukobwa uko araha. Abona hakurya. Harano akonya hafashwe umuriro. Ako nabitindaho. We Grover.
Where you going, such
Aza kuri muri rukaho. Ati ngiye mu bihano ku ishuri. Sasa ariko nanyisho bakora amakosa bakazabahamagara ku gatandatu. Bagahanwa.
Who the hell are you?
Urinde ubundi hano.
Grover Jones?
Jabaita Grover Jones. Grover Jones. Ni profe.
You're not on the list.
Ntago uri kuri list y'abantu bagomba guhanwa uyu munsi.
I know, coach, but
Ndabizi coach ariko. Ndashaka muri class yawe.
Now, why would you show up to Saturday detention when you
Niki gituma uza kwa gatandatu rwose gufata ibihano nk'abandi bana
don't have to?
kandi utagomba kuza guhanwa. Nyine coach. Professor w'umusore ngo umucoach we na wa sport. Amerika n'agakobwa.
You gotta be shitting me.
Utanye nishas.
No, I'm not shitting you.
Na buri mwana gukina prof kari akuki nyine. Undeke manu ariko.
You can handle a little lady like that?
Umugabo ugiye gutuma za gufata ibihano utakoze ukosa. Nago cha groove chikundira.
Can I stay?
Waretse ngo muri class prof.
Oh, I wouldn't miss it.
Ntago nakubangamira bro.
Butt in the seat.
Tena wicara. Prof itegira
Your
seriyo.
butt in the seat.
Tena wicara sukurejana nk'abandi bose. Ntago sasa nakosa cyakoze.
All right, people, I gotta go get something.
Baretse gatongo sone nyari ngiye kuzana.
Let's put the cell phones away.
Mubika amatelefoni yanyu.
Eyes forward.
Amasi imbere.
Oh, shut.
Mufungane iminwa. Sasa ari ku gatandatu yakoze ikosa hanze. Babahamagara mugahanijwe kwicara muri classe cyangwa se mukajya gukubura ikigo gukuka ibintu nk'ibyo. Sasa ari umugenzi arabicurangira. Ibo bifitiye amahoro nta kibazo nakosa bakoze ku ishuri. Hano hari agakobwa kazi gucuranga.
What?
Niki?
Sometimes you gotta let it out.
Hase ko muntu none cyane rwose bikana risoni. Sasa hakuno.
Feel free to look.
Yewe reba witonze.
See anything you're seeing.
Nabone ibintu uri kubona nta kintu wasobanukirwa. Imana sanura apura y'inyubako. Babonye abangaba na coach agiye nabo bavayo. Undi yitara ku meza nabanyeshuri bakoze amakosa.
Hey.
Yewe ite.
I'm Grover.
Bayita Grover.
And you're?
Wewe witwa? Kamwiryaho.
Busy.
Uri busy cyane se?
Yeah, I can respect that.
Saibyo kambyuba he. Cyaje gutereta.
Hey, Elmo.
Yabayita Elmo.
She's ignoring you because you're a candy ass loser.
Mwana ni mara guca amazi kuri daju uri kananga. Kiramwinjirira. Undi navayo.
I know Grover is kind of an odd name, but
Nabizina ryanjye Grover n'izina ry'abasaza.
it was my mom's favorite uncle.
Ati rwose ni uncle wa mama wanjye mama yakundaga cyane.
That's not what your mom said last night.
Ibyo cyane mama yabigutumye kwigisha gutereta ijoro ryashize.
My mom don't love you?
Acanga mama ntago akunda ni mpamvu kwita amazina y'abasaza.
And she told me she gets sad when she sees you.
Kandi mama yambwiye ko atarakara cyane yakubonye.
I wish my mom could see me.
Naye ndifuza ya mama yambonaga.
Oh, she can't see you?
Ntago mama akubona se?
Is she like blind or
Ni
something?
mumye se kubavuga mama ntajya kubona. Basekamo.
My mom is dead.
Mama wanjye yarapfuye niyo mpamvu ko atajya mbona.
Whoa.
Bara batangiye kuzamuka.
Dude, really?
Serious mwana?
Heavy.
Birabaje.
I didn't know. I didn't mean to say it like that.
Mwana muhika rumenye ntago nabivuze rwose nzi ko mama yapfuye.
I mean, I did, but not like that.
Okay, nabivuze ariko ntago nengamije kuba nakubabaza.
You're just gonna let him hang, aren't you?
Hase mugiye gutuma akomeza kubatesha umwanya mugirira impuhwe.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, man, that's ibyo uvuga.
What are you talking about?
His mom
Mwavuga iki se?
was not dead, you moron. She
Wa
works
musenzo nyoko ntago yapfuye.
at the chemical plant on the
Akora kuri cya kigo gikora ibintu by'uburozi chemical plant.
line.
No way.
Akora ibintu by'amaproduit chimique.
Are you messing with me?
Hase uri muri abeshye ko mama yapfuye cyangwa?
Got that right.
Ntago babeshya nyina ni muzimu. Sasa rwakaranga rwaje rutera n'umukobwa imweru beje kuri nyina yapfuye. Ko umukobwa asanza ko kizi.
You know what I'm in here for?
Hase uzima vutura no cyangwa?
I'm in here for smacking some kid's head on the sidewalk for messing with
I
me.
didn't mean
Mwana abandi twakubise abana niyo mpamvu twaje no mu bihano.
it like that. I was just trying to lighten things up. You
Mana ni mpamvu naye mbabeshyaga kwa kujya mu byoroshye.
guys call me a loser, so I
Mwana baranyita umuhombyi.
thought it would be funny.
Nashaka natubigire blague.
Oh, dead mom jokes are hilarious.
Umva izo blague zo kugenda ubeshya abantu ko mama hari umupfuse n'inzo nziza.
I know I laugh every time I think of my dead mom.
Ati ngiye buri gihe cyose umwana nkunda guseka ariko ntekereje ko mama yapfuye ntago binsetse. Sasa koko nyina yarapfuye bya nyabyo.
Your mom?
Mama wawe.
My mom's not dead, you idiot.
Mama wanjye ntago ari umupfu nawe musukwa we nakubeshyaga.
But you see how that's not funny?
Bivuze ngo ntago bisekeje rero kuvuga ko umubyeyi we yapfuye. Kiraza gutereta kikabeshya kikavuga biriya na biriya.
No dead mom jokes ever again.
Ibiryo kuvuga ko ababyeyi bapfuye none nakubizana bwa kabiri.
Don't apologize to me. I'm in here for stealing.
Yewe nyene winyaka imbabazi nanjye banzanye no kubera nibye nyine. Sasa kwa karako nakajura mu kigo nicyo bagahanishije kukazana hano.
He's the one who cracks skulls.
Oh,
Ne bwatinze kocha vayo.
grown little lady.
Nababwiye ngo amatelefoni mashyire hasi.
All right, people,
Saba bavandimwe.
grab a bucket.
Buri umwe azana afate imbegeti. Indobo. Nimba bagiye gukora amasuku mu kigo. Kuwa gatandatu atakujya mugume mu rugo bamufite igihano mugomba kuza gukora. Aranje maniga.
This is fun for you?
ntabwo bishimishije musore.
I'm just realizing you know where my mom works.
Birantangaje ubwo uzaho mama wanjye akora.
You know who I am.
bivuze ngo nanjye uzi ndwe ntabwo najya kwipresenta no kuvuga byinshi. Tayari koce bavana ariko koce nawe ni niga hakuno. Tayari baje mu gihano wa gatanu nuko filime tuyitangiye. Sasa abandi mu kigo mugenzi hari abaje rwose muri za siporo, abaje kubyina n'ibiki. Hano amanika za flyer. Mutore natari rwose rwose igipande tumanitse kibana nizagaragara iyi weekend yose. Reka kumanika bana n'ubundi batari bugutore nacyo bimaze. Reka tukirambure neza tukizamure hejuru. Kumbe hakuno nkuko muzi bya segonderi hari abibese bari hakuno.
I said I needed privacy. This isn't what I meant.
Sheri nakubwiye ko rwose nshaka ahantu hishe bari tugeronere baho turi.
So you just want me to come here?
Nagushaka ko ngenda. Are cyabakaze.
Yeah. Interrupting anything? Don't you got some place to be?
Washatse ujya kubura. Shaka ujya kwicara.
Not really.
Nge.
In a minute. Do us a favor.
Basi dufashe mu munota umwe.
That's low, man.
Man.
Really? Low.
Just sange bataraho brage kiri komereza.
I'll never get used to saying that.
Turi naho baratureba cyane. We batandeba. Sasa hari umusore afite ikintu cy'igishinge. Ari ibintu bimeze nk'ibimogini bari za kitapimpa yitera. Aba ni ndobo zabo baje gukora ibihano. Maninga yaje gutereta yemera gukora igihano. Iyo munsi no munsi wo gupakira umwanda. Abandi mufate ibyogesho mugere mushaka hano zara amashikarete. Mwakube neza.
Not me, coach. Only rocks I got are the ones I was born with.
Coach, uyu munsi rwose mnagomba gufata akaruhuko.
Bleachers until all the gums off.
Mugenda hano zara agashikarete mushaka iburyo mwakuba baka hano asigaye neza.
Containment breach imminent.
Sadogira mu kigo kuri bafura zo mu kigo ahita aca agatangazo.
Aerial contamination danger.
Ahantu rwose turi hagiye kuza umwuka mubi. Umwuka uhumanye. Mugume mu mazu yanyu, remain indoors.
Close all windows.
Mufunga amadirishya yose.
Seek shelter.
Ntuzafite hatura seek shelter musagaho mwihishe.
Repeat.
Ndabisubiramo code 9. Kuwa gatandatu.
Bro, we can just ignore it, right?
No.
Twabica amazi ariko. Oya.
No, we cannot ignore
Ntabwo twabica amazi no kutubwira zitangaro zotangwa na leta.
Drills exist for a reason.
Ibi bintu bya drill iyo babitangaje bari impamvu.
Keller Chemical ever had a spill knowing where
ari uruganda rwitwa Keller Chemical wasanga rwaturitse kandi rukora ibintu by'ama produit chimique bimeze nk'uburozi. Barabwira ati ngo umwuka ugiye kwangirika.
I knew her. Trust me. I wish I didn't.
Yewe munyizere tujye mu mazungu babitubwiye.
Not a drill. The chemical plant's on fire.
Yewe chemical plant yafashwe n'umuriro. Rwa ruganda rwakora ama produit chimique ngo rwafashwe n'umuriro. Urebe filime.
I'm coming down the stairs.
Sasa prof abajyana mu madortoir ndani munsi y'inyubako muri basement. Aza hakuno ahantu yisha.
When somebody doesn't respond to a text,
Osiko abantu twabandikiye batadusubiza.
When someone like you really wants to say no, they usually.
Yewe nashaka guhakana nkawe ntago yabigoranye.
captain of the basketball team, I mean.
Yewe nani nguri captain mu ikipe ya basket ariko uravuga vuga.
To be with someone superior, I just don't think you get.
Cyangwa ushaka abasore bitangaza.
Okay, your money may have gotten you into a few parties.
Amafaranga y'ababyeyi bayambaza ari atuma rwose ujya mbere cyane ariko ntago wowe uri size yanjye. Bagatira maniga.
What are you doing here?
Urakora ikintu zose cyose gashike ku ishuri karacuranga.
Are you picking me up?
Mama na papa bambwiye ko bari buze kunura. Amwereka gakobwa kamuzanye.
You're pathetic.
Uri umuswa bana. Arakumwe na gashike gatoya. Ni Grover. Bano baza hakuno mutwumba.
The plant and said that there was some kind of explosion.
Mama kugeza amwe ko ari ibintu biri muturika rwose ku ruganda.
My dad said it's a huge fire.
Papa yambwiye ko ari umuriro. Bakiraho bari.
Hey, let's keep it together, people.
Mwese mugumane hatagira batatana.
It was built a long time ago.
Hano hantu hubatswe kera cyane.
To withstand just about anything.
Hatagira utinya rwose ko yasohoka bitemewe.
And we're going to be safe no matter what happens.
Hano turi ndani rwose tuba dufite umutekano cyaba cyose.
Down in Keller.
We byose ibibazo byaturutse ku ruganda rwa Keller Chemicals.
We could last in here for weeks.
Hano dushaka twamara ibyumweru bikeya.
Had to.
Bibaye ngombwa ko tuhaguma.
You really think we'd be here for weeks?
None twamara amani ibyumweru.
Of course not.
I said we could be here.
Ndavuze ngo dushobora kuba twabamo hano.
Not that we will be.
Ntago mvuze ko tugiye kwaba bibaye ngombwa twahaguma.
My cousin said that the fire spread to 2 different buildings.
Ariko mubyaranyanyaniye message ko ari inze ebyiri zahiye.
Thank you, Noodle.
Nawe ceceka na gukora muri leta kandi leta yatubwiye kujya hano hari umutekano.
But I'm sure they have everything under control.
Cerekana turasohoka ariko batubwiye ko ibintu byose byatunganya hanze.
The news says that there's reports of a spill.
Ariko amakuru yatangaje yuko byatangiye kwirakwira.
Let me see that.
Kanebe Makuru atangiye gucicikana ku matelefoni. Mama na pamwa mwavuganye.
Not answering their texts either.
Ntabwo bari kwitaba telefoni zabo.
Yeah, their phones are probably sitting on the counter as they work in the yard.
Ariko n'umundi wasanga batanakoze telefoni bazishyize kure yabo.
You know,
Sasa barabyeyi babo bakura muri ya chemical plant.
Hey, Mom and Dad did not have work today.
Ati mama na papa nugiye ikibazo ntabwo bagiye kukaza uyu munsi.
Not at the plant.
Ntabwo bari kuri ya plant. Chemical plant.
Yo, what you looking at?
Wawe kanangura reba iki?
Hey, you're that kid that sold your app for $1 million, but didn't share the guy.
Mwana ngo sagurije laptop ya miliyoni. Sasa abanyeshuri ba segonderi nko mbizo abahagata n'abasererezanya.
Oh, so it was less than $1 million.
Niyo byari munsi ya miliyoni ariko nabyo nicyo bitwaye.
It was less.
Yari make ariko.
2 alphas in a dick fight.
Aho mwese muri abantu b'abasore muri abo muratonga namupfa agakobwa kamwe. Bakiraho. Hano sasa. Uretse gato. Ibintu bwaje bwakomera.
I'm not staying here.
Kirago nagumano man. Urajeki.
Out. I
Jihans.
can here with all these losers.
Man nago nagumano nawo basuka bose.
Leave here unless I say you can.
Umva mugena nakubwira gusohoka namuremere kuvana.
Watch me.
Ndasancungure yuko nasohoka.
Hey!
Sasa abanyeshuri usanga bumva nabi.
It's a week of detention for you.
Ndaguye ikindi cyumweru kijyano. Hasagiye. Bakira ahantu sasa aracyatigimu. Hey. Hobari.
I'm not trying to be trapped in here.
Bana nyina ngo bamfunya na mano bro.
I'm out.
Sasa murabizi by'insorosoro no kwiyumva. Kubagira inama babigoye. Bose barasohoka.
Diesel.
Kumbe kananga Diesel ageza
French, you don't leave the shelter until...
we nta muntu ugomba gusohoka wano. Kureba hano hanze. Kureba hanze. Kuri rwa ruganda. Yo!
This is going.
Hano nyagasani hano wagira ririmbutse. Ntabwo byumvikana. Bakira aho haraturika. Yo! Kumbe garice yose. Biracyaturika. Kanja kuzima itingito. Bamuzano.
I can't get any.
We mwese mugumano banyembuzerezo. Telefone ntago ziri gukora.
Whatever happened must have knocked out the system.
Mbabyanga byakundi bibaye bikuyeho iminara yose.
Mine's ringing.
Telefone yanjye irimo iracamo. Irimo iracamo. It's getting through. Ko yagasoni nye.
It was ringing.
Yari irimo irasona ko nayivuyeho.
Ringing.
Mwabyumvise ko yasonaga. Uraciye kuri magic. Ndekora cha prof imena amatwi.
Good idea.
We nagara igitekerezo cyiza.
Move out of the way.
Asi wambuye imbere. Karabasunika gacaho.
People know.
Barangije.
Dry eye.
Mane niba nafata furuzo zifata ariko ndasohotse bro ntago manje ni muri gereza se.
Got his truck. Can't just leave it out.
Mane nyafite imodoka mane kamva hano hakiri kare.
Go outside.
Asi mwaretse gusohoka hanze.
My dad works at the plant. He said that when in doubt, don't go out.
Ati papa wanjye akora kuri plant yambwiye ngo nihagira ikibanza dusohoke mu nzu.
The news said it was chemical breach.
N'itangazamakuru ryavuze ko byanga byakunda ibintu by'uburozi byaturitse mu ruganda.
We have to stay
gusohoka.
inside, keep the windows closed, and we can
Batuge tuguma mu nyubako kandi amadirishya afunze.
not breathe that air.
Tudahumeka umwuka uri hanze.
Don't even think about it.
Wewe utabitekereza.
You boss me around because you care about me.
Tangiye kwigira boss usanga kunyitayeho cyane se.
I'm bossing you around because you're about to do something stupid.
Umva nimo ndakwigira umuntu ukuruta kwera ko ushaka gukora ibintu by'ubuswa. Sawara koza kungira inama.
Take care of yourself.
Wewe yiteho ndagiye ntacyo dupfana. Adi abandi banyeshuri basohoka bumva nabi.
Take care, man.
Yewe yiteho.
Stand inside.
Muvandi wagumye ndani bro.
What you doing? You kidding, right?
I have to make sure the twins are okay.
You heard?
Mama kumenya ko impanga zimeze neza.
I'm not letting you.
Says you?
You can't go outside.
We ntabwo wajya hanze.
Brothers are probably terrified. You know my mom can't handle this.
Look, also,
Mama njye ntabwo yabikemura ariko watuje.
they're not okay.
Don't say that!
Wivuga gutyo.
Talking about.
Nyagazi ibyo avuga.
You did not just say that with me standing right here.
We ntabwo twaguma duhagaze hano nk'ijiji
Know
bana.
what I'm talking about.
Ibyo nyamuga ndabizi bro.
Not safe outside.
He has no idea what's out there.
Mwana ntabwo uzi ikiri hano hanze.
Why you keep talking, man?
Twins
Amani bavuga nkani.
might be okay.
Impanga zamera neza.
There's a good chance you won't be if you go out into that.
Ariko ushobora no kutazibona uramutse usohotse.
You don't want them to lose their big sister, do you?
Aha ntabwo ushaka kubura mushiki wawe mukuru. Abanyeshuri benshi zirasohoka. Kumbe dore hamwe ya nuza ya chemical plant ya Kela yaturitse. Dore ngo arava ikintu cy'icyuka. Bini bikira? Kumbe haragiye aba ibintu by'ibyuka. We mutsubira nyuma y'umuryango.
Let's go.
Mujye mindani cyane.
Let's go.
Sasa byaragiye biraturika. Dore ngo umwuka urangirika.
Stop.
We muhagarare.
Okay, Diesel.
Diesel.
I need you to go into the tech room and try to
Mu
get
cyumba cya tekinike urebe.
news on the TV.
Urebe ko abona amakuru ari kuri televiziyo.
You go try to get online.
Wegereza nawe ujya online.
Everybody else, spread out. Get your cell phones out.
Mwese mukura amatelefoni.
You know, all right? Let's go.
Mukomeze mugerageza kuba mwabana n'abasinyali.
Sure that all the windows and the exits are shut tight.
Making sure ko amadirishya afunze n'imiryango yose ifunze.
Might be a radio in the teacher's lounge.
Hano hashobora kuba ari radio. Bose barabwira abajya gushaka amarezo, abashaka ibiki, abajya kureba kuri televiziyo. Mana we. Hani nyagasani. Yo! Kirere cyangiritse. Mwaranye na sinyare kabisa.
I'm not getting a signal.
Nanye na sinyare. Hano bakwiye ku icupa. Some shitty wine? Kana manye wine. Playing around. Ngana nabwanya wo gukina ari bro.
Here we go.
Arabana kiradiyo.
Oh, please.
Mana bashaka kumva ko bakumva ari namakuru cyangwa ibyo batangaza kuri radio.
Please work.
Mana dufashe radio kore. Sasa hanze Rogarose ahindutse.
Hey.
Yewe.
Good luck.
No.
Amayirgo abagizira.
Go room on the second floor and there's no signal anywhere.
Ano se no ku floor ya kabiri na sinyari na ano se na ngo sinyari idi.
All anywhere. Hey, what is it?
Yewe niki? Kugira gutya. No bigiye kibazo.
But I heard a siren.
Nari meze nkumvishiye buduha.
Or anything at all.
Yaracho ni mundumva.
Wind.
Sibyo muya gutambuka.
That's weird, right? I mean, we should be hearing sirens or
Twakabaye twumva nk'ubuduha bw'imodoka za polisi.
helicopters or something.
Uko butari cyangwa ikindi kintu. Kumbe hano sasa na telefone zo mu kigo. Kochi. Sasa bose byabacanze.
Nope.
Nta kintu kiraca mu wapi.
We're gonna be here for a while.
Hano turahamara kanya tuko mbibona. Ah. Tayari. Bwatinze. Amasara agenda arisunika. Tayari. Kumbe ndani abanyeshuri bari. Hey. Groove abagenzi bose. Bamwe ko bakaryamye. Nyamunini acaho yitonze. Baga hakunino.
Sorry.
Hangane.
No, I wasn't even asleep.
Yewe nta nuko nari ndyamye nago nkanguye humura.
Wish I could. I'm this crazy mix of totally exhausted and totally wide awake.
Umuntu kuno yararushye rwose no kudaryama nabyo ni ikibazo.
Adrenaline.
Just adrenaline.
Shock.
Habwo nagashoke n'ubwoba niki.
Do you think anyone from the lower valley made it?
Ese cheka abantu barepfiriya muri valley barokotse.
I want to believe they did.
Yewe ndi kwimagine ko bakiza ariko simbizi.
I just keep thinking that I just want to be home.
Ndimo ndibaza yaba natashye ndi mu rugo.
And then I realized that home probably isn't even there anymore.
None ndimo ndimagine wacu wasanga abana arimbutse nano mukiri muzima.
I didn't say goodbye to my parents this morning.
Muri gitondo kimbabaje nagiye kujya ku ishuri sinasezerana n'umubyeyi wanjye. Bozo after ko bayo kwa gusanga n'abyeyi babo bapfuye kare.
I keep trying to remember what the last thing we said to each other was and I can't.
Ha nubwo nibuka ijambo rya nyuma navuga n'abyeyi banjye. Mbere yuko dutandukana.
We didn't say goodnight last night.
Usibye n'ibyo nijoro ryashize twagiye kuryama. Nta n'umuntu wanabwiye ngo agire ijoro ryiza. Byari umwana ajya kuryama ntasezera ababyeyi agahita ajya mu buriri direct kubyuka abana discipline biri hasi ntihagire umuntu asezera muri uko kwagiye mu byajyamo.
I'm sure we talked all yesterday.
Umunsi w'ejo mbazana n'umuntu umwe wo mu rugo twavuganye. Sasa uyu nawe ko yakaje hano aba za kwa gashike.
Trying to get some sleep, okay?
Sagerageza uryame sibyo? Sawa. Kaga kugapengana mu kigo ngakura amaguru anigarica.
You look out for her.
Ambaza umwitaho cyane.
Do you have any siblings?
Ese waba ufite abana muvukana?
One older brother, Thomas.
Mfite musaza wanjye mukuru witwa Thomas.
Does he still live at home?
Aracyabi iwanyu?
He was on his way back to Lehigh this morning.
Ati yagiye ahantu witwa Lehigh muri gitondo bwo yagiye.
I'm not sure if he made it out of the valley.
ariko sinzi ko yashobora kuba yageze amahoro.
I'm sure he did.
Ntugire ikibazo yageze amahoro bana.
Be an asshole.
Ukigira umuswa cyane.
But he can know.
Ntawe ubizi niba yageze amahoro cyangwa nayo yafatiwe mu nzira. Karangije kamushyiraho amaguru. Kazi kagakunda.
You're only touching me because
Tanamuraho kandi nabyo bishire mu twaba urumva. Kuko ni wo mwuka wa nyuma wahumeka kuri iyi si.
Understood.
Ndabyumva mabuja. Karangije kariyengeka. Hacinga esas. Memu nui. Kobose. Ziryamye. Yuko aryamye. Yumva.
Hello?
Hello? Arabibomborekana. Shuriye amaguru ku ruhande. Guruva zimuvanayo. Abandi baryamye zirasinzira. Aza yitonze. Shaka kurebe. Akomezamo indani. Rangije. Ano, wait,
Grover, just
Grover, bro.
listen.
Umva.
Got off on the wrong foot.
Manu wayobye bro.
I am so sorry about what I said earlier.
Mbabarire basi byo navuze kare.
I talk to get myself out of stuff. I do it all the time.
Arabose umara bose ndazaye nguhunga.
I'm doing it now.
Ntabwo rwose twaguma urwana. Gise kamu.
I don't like you.
Ngana ntabwo nkunda bro.
But Diesel, if you think about it, you started it.
Ariko Diesel ni mwatangiye munserereza.
I mean, you called me a loser.
Wanyise umuhombyi.
Because you are a loser.
Nena kwise umuhombyi ukuri umuhombyi nyine.
Right.
Musawa. Kirangije.
I need to sleep.
Ngeneye kuryama utambangamira. Sawa.
Take that as apologies.
Sawa nemeye ko mpaye imbabazi nta kibazo. Ntiyabitindaho. Kumbe hanze aratambukaga. Maniga yitonze. Zahaku no mbwerero. Rangije karaba intoki yitonze. Tayare. Rihanagura yitonze ni Grover Jones. Niba aragenda yumva bintu bimeze nk'inkweto. Urebe. Niba aragenda batwara mugenzi we ngo basohotse. Lyle?
What happened here?
Mwana byagenze bite sura yerurutse. Na umeka neza. All dead bose bapfuye. Inda bapfuye.
They can't all be dead.
Ntabwo bose bapfuye. Bose bapfuye. Nimbara basohotse. Nibyo nanjye ntazi. Nakubwira cyane Sankara da Premier umva ya episode ya mbere no kigenze. Nemucikwe ne ya kabiri. Bahise ryazina ryayo Frikshi ya da Premier for inda bakunda cyane. Nemucikwe zikurikira ndacyariwe Samano.